it on the holes. Oh, no, not that piece. We need 2 of these ones. Put this one in here.
Yeah.
And this one in here.
Yeah.
Over here. And now you can use your drill to push them in. Go ahead. Good job. Next one. Perfect. Now we'll put this one over here. And we'll put the tire, 1 tire here, 1 tire here. And this one. And now can you push that one in? The drill, with the drill. Perfect.
No.
Try it again. Okay, now we're going to turn it around. And you're going to put 1 more of these. Can you get 1 of these? Put it inside and then use the drill again. Good job. Good job. Now we'll do the trunk. The trunk. And you get 2 more. These 2. Put 1 inside and 1 inside. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna switch it. Take this one. Oh, other way around. Turn it around, turn it around. Yeah, put this one in here. No, in here. This part in here. Yeah. Push, push, push. Square on square. Oh, you want me to help you?
No.
Okay, but it's the wrong way, like this. All right, now you hold this one. And we're going to put the tires. Please put a tire over here. And another tire. And get the gray ones. And put 1 here. And put the other gray one over here. And now use your drill and push them in with your drill. Next one. 1 more time. This one didn't go in. 1 more time with your drill. No, with your drill. You got to push it in. You already have one. You want to get your drill and finish it. You don't need this one, my love. You already have one. You just need your drill, and push that one in. Good job. All right. That's pretty good. Now, 2 tires. Another tire, another tire. And then you need the bolt. After you put the tire, a nut. No, you need the tire first, and then the nut. I can hold your drill for you until you're ready. A nut. Dad called it a nut. Over here. Turn it around, please.
Dad.
Yeah, and I'll get the other tire. Other tire. And that one goes here. And the other nut. Okay, now here you go. Good job. Next one. You gotta do it. The drill. On this one, the drill. Is it all the way? Good job. And there you go. Ready? You did it.
All those grease spots over there.
Little extra.
toddler birthday gift. These Battat Build It vehicles. My toddlers have them. They love them. We have the red racer. We've tried the airplane and the crane truck. This is the last one we have to try. And we are giving it to their best friend for his birthday. It is an amazing gift. Keeps them entertained for hours.
Giving people peace of mind. Today's is from the charity Victim Support.
Straight off the bat, it's very welcome news.